Hello everyone, welcome to Shield IAS. My name is Bipan and again welcome back to another video of world map discussion. With last video we have started North America discussion after complete African continent. In North America we have discussed some important countries, important rivers and the important latitude of North America. In today's video we will be understanding the important mountains which are relevant for exam point of view. If you see the location of North America, it is entirely situated, as you have seen, it is entirely situated in the northern hemisphere and western hemisphere. And the northern boundary of North America, it is share its boundary with Arctic Ocean and east of North America we have Atlantic Ocean and southeast we have Gulf of Mexico then we have here it is Gulf of California and western part of North America we have Pacific Ocean and southern part there is a Panama called Isthmus Panama which connect Caribbean Sea and South America. And the north part of the North America, it is only 500 kilometer far away from northern pole, and the northwest part of North America, it is only 10 kilometer away from international date line. And there is two latitude which passes through the North America. One is Arctic Circle and another is Tropic of Cancer. The northern part of North America, it is Canada. Central part of North America is USA and southern part of North America, it is Mexico. So these are some basic information we have seen in previous video. In today's video, we will be understanding some important mountains which are relevant for exam point of view. So the first mountain is Rocky Mountains. Rocky Mountains, which is situated, which extend from northern part of Alberta, and British Columbia, of Canada, and it extends towards south. It extends toward the south of New Mexico of USA. So it extends from northern Alberta and British Columbia of Canada, and it further extends toward the New Mexico of USA. And there is an important peak in this region. The highest peak is Mount Albert. And this is the longest mountain, it is the longest fold mountain in the world, which extend from Canada to USA, and the length of the mountain is 4800 kilometer from north to south. So this is the first mountain. This is known as Rocky Mountain. The second mountain is Appalachian Mountain. This Appalachian Mountain, which is situated, this mountain range is from an old mountain chain. It is oldest mountain chain of North America, and this is also a fold mountain which is highly rich in mineral resources, and most of the mountains are situated in the USA. This is USA. Most of the mountains situated in the USA, and some parts of this mountain is extend toward the southeast of Canada, which length is 2400 kilometer, and the width of this mountain, it is very region to region. Somewhere it is 160 kilometer and up to 480 kilometers, and the highest peak in this region is Mount Mitchell. So these are some important information which are relevant for exam point of view. So first we have seen Rocky Mountain, and second we have seen Appalachian Mountain. The third mountain is Alaska Mountain. This Alaska Mountain, it consists of 3 mountain ranges. In the northern part of Alaska Mountain, we have Brook Range, and southern part of Alaska, we have Alaska Range, and the southwest of Alaska, we have the another range is Aleutian Range. So these are the 3 ranges which are part of Alaska Mountain, and the highest peak in this region is Mount McKinley. So first we have done Rocky Mountain, then second Appalachian Mountain, and third we have Alaska Mountain. The next important mountain is Sierra Nevada. Sierra Nevada. This mountain, which extends from western part of USA, between Central Valley of Gulf of California and Great Basin, and it is part of America Cordillera, and this region is habitat for Red Indian tribes, And one more important information, the highest peak in this region is Mount Whitney. So remember the things, Mount Mitchell, it is the highest peak of Rocky Mountain. The another mountain is Mount McKinley, it is highest point of Alaska, and Mount Whitney, it is highest point of Sierra Nevada. The last mountain range is Sierra Madre. The Sierra Madre, it is situated in the western part of Mexico, and this mountain is the western part of mountain is known as Occidental, and the eastern part of mountain is known as Oriental, and the southern part of this Sierra Madre mountain, it is known as Del Sur. And why it is known as Sierra Madre? Because Sierra is it is a Spanish name, which means mother of mountain. So that is why it is known as Sierra Madre. So these are some important mountains which are significant for UPSC exam point of view. So after discussion of all mountains of North America, let's practice a prelims question for exam point of view. So here consider the following statement. Statement 1 says that North America is surrounded by Atlantic Ocean in the east. Second statement says that it is surrounded by Gulf of Mexico in the west. And third statement, Pacific Ocean lies in the south. As you have seen in the previous slide, that the North America is surrounded by Atlantic Ocean in the east. Yes, this statement is right, correct. So here statement 1 is correct, means option A, option C, which means statement 1 is not available in the option B and D. So you can eliminate this option. Second statement says that it is surrounded by Gulf of Mexico in the west. As you have seen, Gulf of Mexico, it is situated in the southeast, not in the west. So this statement is incorrect. And if you see statement second option, which is available in option number A, you can also incorrect this. And here the correct option is only one, that is C only. And the third statement says that Pacific Ocean lies in the south. This is also incorrect. The Pacific Ocean lies in the western part of America and southwest of America, and not in the south. So here the correct option is C. So with this we have completed the important mountains of North America, and in next video we will be understanding important lakes of North America. Till then, stay tuned. Thank you so much.